Welcome, Nivaan, and all our young explorers. Imagine we're stepping into a glowing portal that leads us to a wondrous land called RustLand. It's a place where everything is made of sparkling code and bright ideas.
Oh, look around, Nivaan. The trees here are made of glowing binary numbers, and the rivers flow with streams of liquid code. Even the air sparkles with tiny bits of data.
In this enchanting world, Rust is the magic that brings everything to life. It's a language that helps all the creatures and machines here talk to each other and understand us.
And Rust is special because it keeps everyone safe while they play and create. It's like a kind-hearted guardian, making sure everyone follows the rules of magic and fun.
Just over there, see Rusty the robot? He's building a castle with code blocks. Rust helps him make sure each block fits perfectly without any errors.
Let's join Rusty and discover all the amazing things we can create with Rust. Every corner of RustLand is an opportunity to learn and have fun.
So get ready for an adventure, Nivaan and friends. In RustLand, we'll explore, create, and solve mysteries together. Welcome to Nivaan's Coding Chronicles, where every code tells a story.